Before you rush to upgrade your gaming rig with the latest motherboard, there are some surprising downsides you might want to consider. Stick around to find out more. The MSI MPG Z890I Wi-Fi is a mini ITX motherboard designed to pack high-end features into a compact form factor, making it ideal for small form factor builds without compromising on performance. Visually, the Edge boasts a sleek, modern design with a predominantly white color scheme, appealing to those aiming for a clean aesthetic in their builds. Its compact mini ITX form factor makes it perfect for small form factor cases, offering flexibility without sacrificing performance. Standout features include support for the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming and intensive tasks. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 and interkiller 5G LAN provides high-speed, low-latency networking, crucial for online gaming and streaming. Additionally, the motherboard supports DDR5 memory up to 8600 plus MTS, allowing for faster data transfer and improved system responsiveness. However, it's important to note that the mini ITX form factor inherently limits expansion capabilities compared to larger ATX boards. This could be a drawback for users planning extensive future upgrades. Additionally, while the high-speed networking features are impressive, they may be overkill for users with standard internet connections, potentially leading to underutilization of these capabilities. Priced at $370, the MPG Z890I positions itself in the higher-end segment of mini ITX motherboards. Considering its advanced features and compact design, it offers good value for users seeking high performance in a small form factor. For the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited expansion slots due to mini ITX form factor. Premium price point. Advanced networking features may be unnecessary for some users. Pros: supports latest Intel Core Ultra processors. High-speed networking with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN. Compact design ideal for small form factor builds. Supports high-speed DDR5 memory. Sleek, modern aesthetic. In conclusion, the MSI MPG Z890I Wi-Fi is a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance, compact motherboard with advanced features. Its support for the latest processors, high-speed networking, and sleek design make it a standout option in the mini ITX category. Don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. And if you found this review helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.